The production possibilities frontier is a line or curve that shows all of the possible combinations of two outputs that can be produced using all available resources. A PPF without labor specialization means that there is no more labor specialization within the country, meaning that all workers have the same skills and abilities. In our first example, we're going to assume that our country can produce only two goods, wheat or shirts. And you can follow this on your notes. We're going to see that all workers of the country produce wheat, which is 50 million, and no shirts are produced. That will be our point A. And in point B, all of the workers of the country can produce 100 million shirts. So this is going to be our PPF. And then for point C, half of the workers produce wheat and half produce shirts. So our point C is going to be half. That'll be 50 shirts, 25 million bushels of wheat. And then for point D, it's going to say that is an unattainable level of production, which those points are going to be, can only be outside of our PPF because it's unattainable with the resources that we have. And point E is an inefficient point, which means that we can't attain it, but we can produce more, which would be on the PPF line. So our efficient and attainable points is A, B, and C because they are on the line. So efficient and attainable. Point D is unattainable, and point E is attainable and inefficient. Now, for shifting the PPF, in point A, thanks to technological advances in wheat growing, one worker can produce more bushels of wheat than before. So now our wheat is going to go up, shirts are going to stay the same, and our slope is going to change. For B, our advances in shirt production with one worker. So our productivity is going to increase for shirts. Point C, the population of the country has increased. So productivity in both shirts and wheat will increase. And that's going to be a parallel shift. And then in point D, it says that the productivity of labor has increased in both production of wheat and production of shirts. In our first possibility, we're going to assume that it's an even increase for both shirts and wheat, and that'll be a parallel shift. In our next possibility, we can assume that our wheat production is going to increase more than our shirt production, and that'll be a shift and a change in slope. And in our last possibility, we're going to assume that our shirt production is going to increase more than our wheat. And that's going to look like this. Another shift, but also a change in slope. Thanks for watching.